Hey y'all, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel, family and the crew. If you are new, then welcome you guys. My name is Alisha. What's up? Welcome to my family. In today's video, I did do a haul from two different stores. Y'all gonna see my spirits is sounding a little low because I did get my second biopsy results the day before. This new medicine and stuff they got me on, y'all, it's taking a toll on my body. So I just have some bad days. We was in the middle of doing laundry as I'm showing y'all now, so y'all gonna hit a wash up, but we about to jump into this video. I'm gonna go ahead on and start right here. I had to pick up 4 cans of corn and 4 things of sweet peas just to kind of stock us back up for right now. I have a lot of frozen vegetables and that we have been using, corn, green beans, carrots, all of that. And I just replaced some about a week ago. I had did a huge haul and had replaced some more. And I still have to go get a few more. But this is just what I picked up today. Because we really was just running in for a few items. So I just went on and grabbed them. I got 2 things of beef broth because I will be doing a roast tomorrow. And I will be sharing that. This came from Walmart. Of course, y'all see the great value. And the broth came from out of Winn Dixie. These strawberries came from Winn Dixie, and the broth was 2 for $4. The strawberries was 3 for $10, and these are some huge strawberries. So we went on and picked up 3 of them to get the 3 for $10. All of them are really big. They are. And then I got 2 things of loaded baked potatoes. These came from Walmart. I'm going to be having those tomorrow with my roast. And if I don't do these, I'll just do regular potatoes, cut them up and put them in the oven with some seasoning and some cheese. So I haven't decided, but I just wanted to go ahead on and get these just in case to go with the ones that I already have in my cabinet. And I also got 2 big cans of cut green beans because I will be making these tomorrow with the roast. So 2 was enough. Jordan got 1 of these yogurts because he will be doing something, making a meal on a cooking channel. That link is in the description box below. It's Cooking with Pops. And I forgot what he said he'll be doing, but he needed that. And I think this came from Walmart. From Winn Dixie, we got the ginger ales, and they were 4 for $3. If I'm not mistaken, it was 4 for $3 for the checks. So I got 4 of them, all ginger ale. Their brand sweet tea was 2 for $4. I think it was 2 for $4. And I didn't record in there. And Jordan had the receipt and he had to run back out. But I know last time we had went to Winn Dixie, it was 2 for $5. So that's what it was. It was 2 for $4. Because last time it was 2 for $5 and Jordan was saying they dropped $1. And then their Powerades was on sale $1 or 3 for $3. So they were still $1 each. So we got 3, 6, we got 9. 2 of the melon flavored, 2 of the, what is these? The strawberry lemonade, 2 of the mountain berry blast, and then I got 3 of the white cherries. And those are from Winn Dixie. Walmart, I got 1 of their soaps. And y'all know these are what's compared to the Dr. Bronner's. I always get this one. Sometimes I'll do the Dr. Bronner's, but they're $20. These are only $9. And they smell the same. They work the same. Smells really good. And then I got the Febreze Air Ocean. 1 of these are for my room, and 1 is for Philip's room. Walmart. And then out of Winn Dixie, these was BOGO, and they were at $5.87 for the 7-Up, which isn't bad for a 6-pack. And that is one thing with their 7-Ups at Winn Dixie. Even when they're not on sale, the price is reasonable. Now for their Coke products and their Pepsi products, that's a different story. Y'all know Philip loves to drink Sprites, but he also loves 7-Up and ginger ale. So I went on and did the BOGO. So he got a 12-pack of those. And this will last him for a couple of weeks because he only drinks 1 like every 3-4 days. Or he'll bring 1 to school every 3 days or so. Mama needed a half a gallon of milk. And instead of doing a whole gallon, she just been doing a half. And she just, you got one what the other day? Monday, she got another half a gallon Monday, just so we can have more space. But we have 2 whole gallons of milk in there. So we just have enough to stock up. And then, well, of course, Walmart. And then our bread, it was not on sale at Winn Dixie. And it was not on sale at Walmart. But it was cheaper at Walmart for $2.36. And y'all know this is just the one we get, the Sara Lee butter bread. And at our Walmart, it's cheaper than the Nature's Own. And this is the roast that came from Winn Dixie. And y'all see the price. It was regular $22. With your card, it was $8.82. So we saved $13. And then we got this one here. And they're both the choice, what is it? The choice rump roast beef. And it was regular $15.65. We paid $6.25 and we saved $9.40. So I will be doing both of these roasts tomorrow. And out of Walmart, Jordan picked up these Reese. He loved these white Reese eggs. I'm not too fond of them, but hey, he got them. He got what he wanted. And my mama asked me for some jelly beans. If y'all remember the last haul, I got mama eat some. It's hard to find regular jelly beans at our Walmart. So I got mama the speckled ones. She's not going to care as long as they jelly beans. And when I go to the other Walmart this weekend, I'll get her another pack of the regular ones. Philip loved these zeros, and so do I. So I got him 1 pack, and me 2. They're all king size. He's probably going to end up eating one of mine. And then y'all know I tell y'all I love paydays. And I also love the munch, because it's just, I love peanuts. I'm a huge fan of peanuts. And then we got 1 thing of cooking oil, the gallon size from Walmart. The check drinks, we got 3, and they was 3 for $13. Y'all remember last time we got them, they was 3 for $9. But they was 3 for $13. We try to catch them when they sale. 3 for $13 wasn't a sale to me, but hey, it was cheaper than the alternate. And Jordan got 1 of the root beers and 2 of the red cream sodas. I've been pretty much drinking a whole lot of lemonade. Y'all been seeing these. And my mama eat over there eating. That's why I'm not showing that side of the table. She hungry. She eat, y'all. And I've been drinking these a whole lot. These and the teas. And then I get the, I forgot the name brand. I'm inserted on the screen. But if y'all remember the haul I did last month, I had picked up the pink lemonade and the lemonade. So I've been drinking a lot of those. And then water, tea, cranberry juice, cran apple, stuff like that. But we'll just have these just in case somebody wants one. And y'all know I love my red cream soda, but I just haven't been having a taste for them. And then, of course, I needed some more personal items. As always, it's must. So that is it, you guys. And we will be having some catfish. I had asked John if he'll fry me some. And normally we get our catfish from our seafood market. But if y'all remember last month, we had picked these up from Walmart and they was just in our freezer. So he will be frying these, and I'm probably just gonna have me some with some bread and probably just do me like, I don't know, some lettuce, tomato, have me some on some bread, because that's just what I have a taste for. Yesterday, mama had made some chicken gumbo and I had some of that, and Jordan had fried some chicken legs, and he did some of the Norris rice. So the rest of the kids will have that. So they have their choice, either chicken and rice or they can have chicken gumbo. But I just wanted me a fried catfish sandwich. I didn't want it grilled, didn't want it baked, I didn't want it air fried. Just a good old piece of fish on some bread. Wait, Philip. I'm letting him. Okay. Oh, your thing came on? He hurt his arm yesterday, the other day.
I heard it on Monday.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it. It's healing up good. It's healing up really good. Well, can I finish putting my groceries up? Well, let me finish. Go take your shower first. Because it's not going to do any good for me to wrap it up and you got to turn back around and re-shower. Say, hey, Mama.
Hello.
Y'all be asking about Mama. She good. I told y'all earlier she was just eating, so I didn't want to bother. But yeah, y'all be asking about Mama E. She good, y'all. She is really good. Mama E be doing her thing. Huh? Okay, that's fine. Alright, y'all. Well, let me go and get this stuff up. I ain't gonna take me some medicine because I'm starting to feel bad. But today is Wednesday. Y'all may get this video probably by Saturday or Sunday, because I am behind on both of my channels. I'm behind in my comment section. But y'all, please do not charge this in my heart. Y'all that watch my vlog channel know what I have going on right now. So it's a lot. But I still come on here. I'm still determined. I'm still going to be loyal to you guys. And I appreciate y'all for being loyal to us, because y'all don't have to. So we will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.